Have you experienced a UI freeze when your user taps a button to parse a large JSON file or filter a massive list? The entire app locks up. The loading spinner freezes. The user thinks the app crashed. I'm going to show you exactly why this freeze happens and how one simple line of code will keep your app buttery smooth no matter how heavy the calculation is. Let's dive in. To fix the freeze, we have to understand the trap. Dart, the language that powers Flutter, is single-threaded. That means it executes one operation at a time on what we call the main UI thread. This thread has two main jobs: executing your code and painting the UI. It runs on an event loop. If you give it a small task, like updating a counter or animating a button, it does it instantly and goes right back to painting the next frame. But if you give it a massive task, like our function here, which calculates prime numbers up to 400,000 using nested loops, this takes a few seconds to finish. While the main thread is busy doing this heavy math, it literally cannot paint the screen. It drops every single frame until the math is done. Look at our bad approach. We set isLoading to true, and then we call countPrimes. We're using a future delayed so the UI has exactly one frame to show the loading spinner before the thread completely locks up. Watch what happens when I click the red button. The spinner starts, hits the countPrimes function, and instantly locks up. I can't scroll, I can't click anything else. The UI is completely dead for about 3 seconds until the result finally pops up. If this was a production app, your user just uninstalled it. So, how do we fix it? We need to hire a background worker. In Dart, we call these isolates. An isolate is essentially a separate thread with its own independent memory. It can do all the heavy lifting in the background, completely separate from the main UI thread. And the best part? In modern versions of Dart, spawning an isolate is incredibly easy. We don't need complex ports or listeners anymore. We just use Isolate.run. Look at this good approach. We use await Isolate.run and we pass it our heavy countPrimes function. Behind the scenes, Dart automatically spins up a new background thread, hands it the function, waits for the result, passes the result back to our main thread, and cleanly shuts down the background thread. Let's watch it. I click the blue button. Look at that spinner. It is flawless. The exact same heavy calculation is happening, taking the exact same amount of time, but because it's running in an isolate, our main UI thread is completely free to keep painting the screen at 60 frames per second. No freezing, no jank, just a perfect user experience. Now, a quick warning. Do not put every single function in your app inside an Isolate.run. Passing data back and forth between the main thread and an isolate takes a tiny bit of overhead. If you use an isolate for something simple, like formatting a date or basic math, it will actually be slower than just doing it on the main thread. Only pull out this superpower when you are parsing massive JSON payloads from an API, doing heavy image manipulation, or complex filtering on huge lists. If your app is dropping frames or freezing up, start looking for heavy synchronous tasks and move them to an isolate.